What a bad performance is from Casemiro, the former Real Madrid midfielder. He's having a half game there today, and that gave up there in the middle of the game, and then Luis Diaz scoring the second goal. It's just having a half day today, and that's a bad performance from the Brazilian. Yes, second half coming up. Hopefully, United can get something on it. Hope you like this video. So stay tuned for the status updates and all those football stats and live moments for today. So lots of games are coming up, so I'll give you lots of updates. So stay tuned, and yes. So that's it. Have a wonderful day. Take care, and lots of games will be uploading there at the end. So yes, keep tuned to my channel and all the status updates there and there. Have a wonderful day. Take care, and bye bye. So yes. Keep sharing your comments and your analysis also. Have a wonderful day. Take care.